a CEGONIA Pro 30-watt installation video. CEGONIA Pro will be boxed with the following items: solar panel battery kit, solar panel battery kit base, component kit A, component kit B, component kit C, wall mount plate, luminaire, and trunnion. To begin the installation process, install the solar panel and battery pack to the luminaire. Using component kit B, fasten the solar panel and battery to the solar panel battery kit base. Component kit A will secure desired tilt angle, with the supporting screws locking in appropriate rotation. Please adjust the solar panel according to the climate graph displayed. To mount the luminaire onto a pole, use component kit C. CEGONIA Pro 30-watt can be mounted on either round or square poles using the following specs. When mounting against a wall surface, use the wall mount accessories. After installation, connect the cable pairs together. To turn the luminaire on, use the Soltech remote to configure desired light settings. The CEGONIA light head can also be adjusted as follows. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.